What's up, guys? Hi, YouTube. Hi, everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ebys'Lady, and I'd like to welcome you back to my YouTube channel. Are you looking for a rental business ideas that you can actually start today? You don't need to worry any longer, guys, because in today's video, I am going to be showing you 10 best rental business ideas that you can actually start right now and start making money. Rental business today is on high demand and it is making money for people. It's a very profitable, lucrative business. The only thing that you actually need to start this business is space, storage, and warehouse where you can actually keep your equipment and the supplies that you need. And you can start this business small, and as time goes on, you can now expand the business. The more you build your customer base, you can now expand the business. Right now, this is high on demand, and a lot of people that started this business, they don't have any regrets. So if you're looking for any business that you want to start, I will advise you to start or go into rental business. And I'm going to outline those ones that are very, very high on demand, that even if you start it, you're definitely going to cash out. And this business, you can also start it as a side hustle. You understand? You can have a job and still be doing that. You can start it from the comfort of your home. So, guys, what are you waiting for? Now, let's dive into this video right now. Number one, business rental business ideas that you can actually start right now is to start a party supply rental business. Right now, party supplies and equipments are actually making people money because people are doing lots and lots of party. In this age that we are, people do lots of videos just to showcase what they are doing. And the best place to market this is on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. People need party equipments to make their party look very beautiful. You need to have team decorations, team equipments, team supplies, depending on the kind of party the person wants to do. People do birthday parties for children and for adults. People also do corporate parties. People do picnics. People do vacations party. You understand? Birthday parties. People do anniversary. So depending on the kind of party supplies that you need, you actually need to know and research about it and know the equipment that you need to buy. But this business is very, very highly, competitive. And no matter how it is, you can make it. So you need some capital to start this particular party business. People rent cooking equipment, kitchen equipment, they rent chairs, they rent different kinds of things so that they will have a successful party. Number two is to start a vehicle party. Oh, number two is to start a vehicle rental business. Right now, a lot of people actually need vehicles to be able to achieve their goals. People go into luxury cars, exotic cars. People go into car rentals to be able to reach their destination or go wherever they want to go. People rent horse carriage for burials, for wedding, for occasions. And people also they rent boats, they rent trailers, they rent trucks, depending on the type that you actually want to go into. And never ever regret none of this, starting this kind of business. So, and you need to be in cities, highly busy cities where businesses are thriving. That's the only way you can make money doing vehicle business. The next rental business ideas that you can actually start right now is wedding equipments. Wedding equipments today is very, very competitive because from January to December, people are into weddings. People are doing weddings, so they need different kinds of equipments. You need to be on trend and know what's up and know the latest designs that people are using. And you also need to work with event planners. They are the ones that can actually give you businesses as well. So they work hand in hand. Wedding equipment business, rental business is a very, very good one. So it's one of the rental business I recommend you to start today. The next rental business that you can actually go into is property rental business. Property rental business today is very, very promising. And a lot of people are going into this business because this business is making quite lots of money. You can go into apartments, you can go into renting commercials, you can also go into renting recreational centers and event centers. Any of the above is quite making money for people. But you also need to know the state laws and regulations if you want to go into property, so that you don't run into problems with people. And they have agreement. People lease their properties as well. So this property rental business is actually one of the thriving rental businesses right now. People do, rents for even Airbnb, and this is actually making money for people. The next rental business ideas that is making money for people right now is sports and hunting equipment rental business. People do all these things for fun. Maybe end of the weekend, they now have to go somewhere and rent some particular things to be able to make themselves happy. So if you can be able to do this kind of business, it's actually a very, very good one to rent sports equipment and outdoors equipment for recreation. So guys, any of the rental equipment that you want to actually do, it is definitely going to make you money. The next rental business idea is clothing rental business. You know how you appear matters. It's an impression, and you need to appeal or appear very, very, very well. That's why they call it apparel. People deal on different kinds of clothing for rentals. They go on party clothes, date clothes, costume, and any other type that people are renting. And there are certain clothes that you know that after using it for that particular occasion, I don't really need this again. People rent wedding gowns, people rent bridal, equipments, bridal apparels, brass-made clothes. I hope you know that. So you must not buy it because after that day you don't actually need them. So clothes rental business is a very high lucrative business, and it's on high demand because you don't actually need to buy some of the clothes that they use. You understand? The people rent these clothes. They rent for costumes as well. People that are in movies, some of those movie clothes are rented. People rent them to be able to use for whatever program that they want to use that. So if you're looking for any kind of business, rental business idea that you want to start, you can start clothes rental business. And this one, you can even start from your home. This is one of the cheapest rental business ideas that you can actually start. Clothings, they are very, very cheap. And you can also rent accessories. People rent wristwatch, people rent glasses, people rent, different kinds of accessories, depending on the one, depending on your location, and you know that this thing can actually sell for people. All you need to do is to promote your business. I actually talk well about promotion because any business that you are doing and you are not promoting that particular business, that business is going to suffer. So whatever kind of rental business that you actually need to start, you need to plan on your promotion and on your marketing. You need to plan your promotion, you need to plan your marketing. The next rental business that you can actually start is storage business. A lot of people actually have so many things that they don't even know where to keep them. So people that offer these services, you need to now tell them, please, I need to, a lot of people have different kinds of things that they need to store. They don't even have space where they can keep them. They have storage shops. They have storage homes where they can keep those things. So if you know that you can offer storage space where people can keep their things and keep their stuffs, you understand? You can start offering these particular services. It's actually very, very lucrative. I remember some shops, like when my mother was selling something, we used to go and pay for space where we can store her products. Yes, so we do it those days. The next one is to start a construction rental business. Construction business today is a very, very huge business. And a lot of people that are into this construction are even running it on their own. They have private construction companies that they cannot be able to buy some certain equipments because they need excavators, they need bulldozer, they need landscaping equipments and huge equipment, and some of them are very, very expensive. Most of the construction equipments are very, very expensive, trucks and trailers for them to be able to use for their business. So if you know that you can offer this kind of construction work, construction equipment, if you know that you can offer construction equipment, you need a very, very significant amount of money capital to be able to start this business. And people lease all these equipments is very, very, it's very, very good. It's very, very good. All you need to do is to start promoting your business, and let construction people know that you can actually lease those equipment to them for money. It is not free, and you should also work on how you can maintain those equipment so that they will be able to last for you. People rent construction equipment for months, for years, and for days, and these are actually making money for people. The next rental business that you can actually start is power tool. Power tools are very, very important today. People rent generators to be able to give power. Understand? To any occasion that they are doing, they need to rent some equipment that can power that particular program that they are doing. So power rental business is very lucrative. You need money to be able to buy some of these particular equipment. The next rental business that you can actually go into is furniture rental business. Right? Furniture rental business today is actually making people money because there are some programs like conferences, weddings, and people need beautiful seats and beautiful furnitures to be able to grace that occasion. So they need to hire those things. They need to hire those furniture to be able to make that occasion a very beautiful one. They don't need to start going to buy those things because after that program, they don't need that again. And that is why we need rental services. So if you know that you can offer furniture rental services, is very lucrative because people must sit down on a particular occasion. So this is a very, very good and lucrative. If you enjoy watching my videos, please guys, please hit on the notification buttons and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. It's your baby girl, a beast lady on the beat, and see you next time, guys. Bye bye and take time.